ये मेरी पर्सनल गारंटी है। जस्टिस फॉर जुबीन गर्ग in 100 days. Zubeen Garg stood for Assam. He did not stand for one person, one community, one language, one tradition, one history. He stood for every single person in Assam. We love and respect him. We love and respect him because he reflects the spirit of Assam, the tradition, multicultural, multi-religious tradition of Assam. That is why we are going to give him justice without any doubt, with 100% certainty.